Right, if you saw the service visit to the Amstrad 901, we did the 900 yesterday, the 901 today, and like with the 900 yesterday, we did have to change the ballast resistor for a more hefty one. This one was 2.8 watts as it came in, and it's now 4 watts, and the receiver on this is 0.27 microvolts. Oh, yesterday's is 0.27 as well, they're identical. Well, would you believe that? Yes, you would, because they're the same innards, but you've got component tolerances. Right, well there we are then. Going to make a Chippie channel. Somebody did say, hello Carl, are you there? Tango 21 test.
Yeah, roger that, stand by.
Roger, I'll do me speaker.
Roger.
Couldn't think of the word. Now I've got to find which socket it is on this one, haven't we? There we go.
In the house and recording.
Yep, Roger on that. And on this radio we've got a tone control.
Right, so heading up the line, passing the passing place and the doggy daycare, which seems busy at the moment. And that's all I have to tell you.
Roger on that. Right, well there you go. It seems
right, coming up to the end of the line.
Got you at the end of the lane. It seems to me that if you set the meter first before you've set the squelch, it looks to me like the squelch is interactive with it. So we're going to have to adjust this one again as well.
Service station 133.9 and 142.9.
Roger on that.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an Amstrad CB901, and it is from 1981, and it has 44 watt output, and speed based on
Yep, roger that. You did just cut out as I went round Scratchy Corner, so I don't know why that was. I don't know whether it's your mic or something else.
It cut out when I switched on the Roger bleed. I saw it do it.
Oh, right, okay. Fair enough.
I didn't expect that to happen.
No, well, there you go. It must interact with it somehow.
Just going to do the opposite, going to turn it off, see what happens. So it stayed on transmit. I'm going to activate the Roger leave again. Yeah, it goes off for a second.
Yep, roger that. Is that how they are? Have we tried that before?
No, we've not tried that before. But we've been doing these for years.
Roger that, right. We're over Wilsford level crossing.
Looks like you're over the level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over. Roger. Past the Kelby turn. I don't think I shouted in, did I?
No, you didn't. You did as a Kelby turn, but you didn't shout in. I didn't get the Roger.
All right. There we go.
Anyway, you're at the next one.
Yeah, I'm not in position though yet.
Right, that's I meant. Are you at the Grayleys turn?
Oh, I'm past the Grayleys turn. I'm nearly in the 5 mile position point.
Right, you said you thought you'd missed the Kelby point, well you didn't.
If I didn't say Grayleys, I meant Grayleys.
You losing the plot.
Yeah, welcome to your club, eh? Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie went out at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm doing 4 watts on this radio, and it's going 1.1 amp. I'm going to go over to low power. Let's do that. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power. The radio's doing 400 milliwatts or 390 milliwatts, something like that. Going 500 milliamps. Go back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems. Bit noisy on low power, but I heard everything.
Yeah, roger there. Yeah, yesterday you traded it was 500 milliwatts on low power. Just the way it was.
Yeah, roger that.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, dodger.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger on that. We're absolutely fine, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that, 1010.
Right, I'll just get
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger on that. That was absolutely fine, thank you very much. And 1010.
Yep, roger that, 1010.
Right, I'll just get this S meter realigned and we'll go through to the base station.
Tango 21, testing the Amstrad CB901 into our Midlands